Now big MNCs started layoff, which means they're going to stop the hiring. Even experienced or freshers, they will face some challenges to get the opportunities. And also in the big MNCs like Byju's, Amazon, they are sending the people out. They are trying to find the reason to send the people out. So during this period, if you submit your fake certificate, what will happen? You are giving wonderful opportunity to the organization to send you out without any reason. Okay. So definitely you will sign in the signature. You will put signature in your offer letter. There are a lot of clauses will be there. Usually people will not read what are the information available in the offer letter. They will try to focus on only CTC part. Okay. Whenever you sign digitally or manually, try to read the entire clause in your offer letter, whether it is bond paper or as usual A4 sheet offer letter format. Okay. So the layoff is started in the big MNCs. Okay, many MNCs are started layoff because of Recession 2023. The requirements of software things coming down in last 2 years. People are started work from home. There are a lot of software requirement is required at the time. Now people are reporting to office, which means work from home opportunity is going to stop day by day, month by month. Quickly, it will stop quickly, so that the requirement will stop, especially for using your bandwidth, your data pack, and using the laptop. Many people are utilized laptop in last 2021 2022. Lot of software hardware products required at the time. Now people are going to keep that product away, as everybody reporting to office and going to utilize organization's data and organization system to do their everyday work. The major reason of Recession 2023 is Ukraine-Russia war. Okay, definitely you people think about that, why the war is happening somewhere around thousands of kilometers away, and how this will impact in your life. Yes, the everyday product is coming through whatever. If you eat banana or if you eat onion, potato, rice, everything coming from your plate, it is not coming directly to your plate, right? Somewhere it is traveling, which means the fuel is required. Because of Ukraine-Russia war, the fuel rate is increased. When fuel rate is increased, each and everyday product price will increase, which means cost of living will increase in future, which means 2023 definitely that is going to happen. When cost of living is increased, influence will happen. So because of which RBI will increase the repo rate. When RBI increase the repo rate, if you are paying to loan, the loan rate will increase. Even though if you use credit card, even though if you are paying home loan every month, definitely the rate of interest will increase. Okay. So when you submit your background verification documents, be careful. Don't give opportunity from your side straightforward to send you out. Okay. So this video will useful, and I don't know, I'm not blaming you. I'm not triggering something wrong. I'm educating you in perfect directions. Prevention is better than cure. Okay. You can stop the problems before touching it. Okay. Once it is touched, you need to face the problem. And some of the problem we are trying to find the solution. And even though if you go in positive direction after did wrong thing, after did your wrong thing, even though you try to go in genuine way, that will create major problem, that will create unsolvable issues. Okay. Hope you try to understand the background and try to go in positive directions. Don't give multiple opportunities your side to send you from the organization. Okay. If you get the relieving letter, added advantage, if they don't send you properly out, which means they will not give the relieving letter, you cannot use that experience. If they terminate you, it will be very challenge. Okay. Hope I am educating well in our channel. There are 5,000 followers. Hope you utilized our channels perfectly. If you find this channel perfect, please share this video to your friends. Okay. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.